juice. I eat that lunch. She keep that booty booty. She keep that pump. That is beautiful.
My fridge is here. I'm so excited. But then now the thing.
If you could see it from the front, you know you want it bad, yeah. You like it thick, you like it fat, yeah. Like to keep on wanting more. When I know you're never gonna share, 'cause you'll always be my baby.
For a TV stand, and I feel like this one is perfect, but the problem is it's not glass. It's really not glass.
He asked me, told you where you at, huh? And I wanna know how long it take to put my pants up. Poke a finger, it ain't that song. Tryna squeeze into my true religion, nothing.
Guys, I finally have chairs. Even though I wanted the gray ones, but I think this set is a nice pop of color to everything. Like, it just makes sense. Yeah.
Shorty said she coming with a breakfast, 'cause she saw a young nigga pull up in the rover. Now she said she wanna come over, yeah, but I don't want no love. I just wanna make the moolah la, yeah, the moolah la. I just wanna make the moolah la. Go home all screaming ooh la la, yeah. Shorty said she coming with a breakfast, 'cause she saw a young nigga pull up in the rover. Now she said she wanna come over, yeah, but I don't want no love. I just wanna make the moolah la. Yeah, the moolah la. I just wanna make the moolah la.
Magazine, not have the way. You guys will be able to hear me, but hopefully you can. So I am here in Hartfield in Pretoria, and I'm here to buy my graduation things. I'm literally so excited because this thing has been stressing me the whole entire month, even the months to come. The date is finally here, it's almost here, so now I'm doing the prepping and the things like that. So yeah, come along with me and let's go and pray. By the way, I didn't introduce this vlog, so welcome. I hope you guys are good. Please don't forget to subscribe, and yeah. Probably sure you guys want to see graduation pictures, but there aren't any because I look like a mess on the day. Now let's move on. So I just wanted to update you quickly that I'm finally back. I'm back in Joburg, and I have to go to class because class starts in the next 30 minutes. And as usual, I'm late. Like, there's nothing new there, right? I'm just lazy though, that's the thing, because I'm tired. I got back at I landed at 5 to 11, right? And I landed, and then I went to Mall of Africa to exchange the dress that I was wearing at the graduation because so I exchanged the dress that I was wearing because that was a big size, so I went to get a smaller size that could fit me very comfortably. And then, guys, I'm not pregnant. Like, this is just how I look, you know? So right now, ooh, the lighting chilled. Right now I have to prepare to go to class, right? And graduation was just the whole process of graduation was so chaotic, and but I had fun. I enjoyed it. At the end, I got my certificate, I got my degree. I'm a qualified software developer, child. Put some respect in my name. So yeah, so now let me just go to class, right, and be a good girl and attend class, and then come back later and chill. Then I also have some assignments that I need to do, but I'll figure that out when I get back. So I will see you guys in the next vlog. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to share it. And if you liked it, please return and watch again. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.